Hello, guys. Good evening. Abhishek here. So, without wasting time, we'll see what happened today in the market. Okay, so let me hide all the drawings. Okay, as you might have seen my video, and I clearly told you that the first move would be on the upside, and we were pretty sure about that. We'll be moving up to this area. Okay, and on and I told that from this area there will be a rotation, you can say reversal. Okay, and it was played beautifully and we got a reversal. And to my students who are into mentorship program, I told them that on Monday itself that we will be visiting this low on Wednesday, and exactly that happened. So this is data analysis is all about. It will tell you in advance that what might be happening in the market. Okay, so now we will see what can happen tomorrow. Okay, so what data is telling us. So you can see we have a 40,000 contracts which is shorted by the FIIs, and this is a good number, not a very huge number but good number. Overall net position is quite bearish, 96k they are having bearish positions. If you see one thing, whenever there is a more than 1 lakh they are taking, it's a oversold level. Okay, means whenever the net position goes above 1 lakh for the bullish or even for the bearish, we often see reversal in the opposite direction. Okay, now it is not 1 lakh, we might be getting this figure to 1 lakh tomorrow, and Friday we might be seeing a reversal to the upside, but we don't see too far for tomorrow. Sorry guys, my English is not good because a lot of people are from South India, so they don't understand Hindi. That is why I have to speak in English. So bear that, right? Okay. So what can happen on tomorrow? For that, we also see one more data. Bank Nifty doesn't have a lot of cumulative delta that is on the negative side, and in Nifty we have a lot of delta on the negative side. So this is clearly telling us that there is a more weakness in Nifty than Bank Nifty. So whenever you short Bank Nifty, be cautious. With Nifty, you can be little bit more confident in shorting. Okay, FIIs are the maximum number of position they are carrying is the long puts. Okay, so what can you expect when FIIs are carrying overnight puts, that too on Thursday? So this is quite a bearish signal. Bearish means not too bearish, but we can have a fall of 250 to 300 points in the morning itself. Okay, hopefully we don't get a big gap down, but you can expect on the safe side 200 points fall might be there from the today's close. Okay, so that is the probability tomorrow, strong probability. And those 200, 200 to 250 points you will get to see in the first half only. First half, I mean to say by 10 or 11 a.m. only. Okay, and there is a chance of rotation tomorrow also, but rotation would not be this brutal. Rotation maximum, you'll see a rotation of 100 to 150 to maximum 200 point rotation from the lows, maybe in the second half or maybe after the initial 200 or 300 points down move. Why rotation? Why? How I'm able to predict the rotation? That is that is a very big topic. If it is possible, we'll might discuss someday. So overall, guys, tomorrow if you see market, now see what kind of trade you can take. Okay, I don't see any trade which is on the upside. Okay, there is one trade, one possibility of trade which you can take on the upside. If we are opening above this candle, okay, if in anyhow if there is a gap up above this candle, then you can see some short covering and we might break this high in no time. Okay, but that is very unlikely. Most probably we will open flat or little gap down, or might be little gap up also, because I think Dow has recovered. But below this, the area you are seeing below this line, if you see open inside this range, okay, go short guys. Whenever uh, 1 minute low get broken, go short. I mean, you can short the market immediately. Above that, be cautious, because above that you have to see that short covering is there or not. If there is not short covering, we will come down immediately. Okay. Now, if you see a big gap down, please don't chase it, because you might be caught in the wrong on the wrong side. Okay, from the lower levels, you can expect a bounce from this area. Okay, so I'll draw a line from where you can expect a bounce. So this is the area from where you can expect a bounce. How many points? 100, 150, max 200. On a safer side, take it 100-point bounce from here you can take. And remember, Thursday, even a 100-point might double your option price. Okay. So this is the trading plan. Don't get too much aggressive on the downside, seeing that market has fallen, that bullish engulfing and all those things. Because breaking this would be tough. We can break this tomorrow, but we will first have a bounce, then we can break. Because without bounce, breaking this would be tough. And if we are breaking this without a bounce, then expect that something is wrong with the market. Okay, we might fall even much bigger if this happens. So again, I'm summarizing the trading plan. If you see open above this, do not short. If you see a price opening in this range, go short after the 1 minute low has get broken, and your stop loss should be the 1 minute high. Okay. If you see a very big gap down, don't chase it, because reversal can happen anytime. Okay. If you have not taken any trade and you are just watching market, and if you see price to these levels, you can, this green line, you can mark it as a stop loss and trade 100 to 150 points on the upside. So this is a trading plan, very simple. Guys, it looks very simple, because the all the homework which is done on the data, I did it for almost, it takes me 1 hour to do all the homework, then I tell you all these levels. And most of the times, if you're watching my videos, you can see that these levels are working actually. And anyone can judge market while it's moving, but we are here, predict market in advance, like what could happen, and most of the times it played out very beautifully. Okay, all blessings guys. We might be lucky, that could be the case, but we are doing it very consistently, so I have confidence in it. So I'm signing off. I hope you will have a very profitable day. And one more thing, guys, tomorrow is expiry, weekly expiry. Please don't expire your accounts. Be very much cautious while taking any trades, and trade on the right location. Don't trade anywhere, because even if you are bearish or bullish, if you do not choose right location, you will end up in making loss, even position moves in your favor afterwards. Okay, so this is the beauty of market. Trade the right location, because location is everything in market. So signing off, take care, bye.